Everyone wants more money, but most people avoid the very skills that create it. The uncomfortable truth? Your income is capped by the skills you've refused to develop. Most broke people are overworked, not under-talented. They're just underskilled in the right things. You don't need a raise, and you need to raise your value. Sales, public speaking, leadership, copywriting, cold outreach. These are uncomfortable, but profitable. The skills you avoid out of fear are the exact ones holding your future hostage. Want freedom? Become dangerous in the skills no one can ignore. High-income skills are boring before they're powerful, but no one gets rich avoiding boredom. If you can't sell, speak, or lead, you'll always depend on someone who can. Stop chasing side hustles. Build one core skill so valuable, the world pays attention. There is no shortcut. The money lives behind the boring, uncomfortable mastery. Learn the skill, then stack the skill, then own the skill. That's the wealth formula. If you want to stop struggling, stop running from growth. You're not stuck because you lack potential. You're stuck because you avoid what would unlock it. Commit to one skill for 6 months. Watch your confidence, income, and options explode. Most people won't do this. That's why most people stay broke. Want more money? Don't get smarter. Get skilled. You can't wish your way into wealth. You work your way through skill into freedom. Choose one skill. Show up daily. Make it your identity. Every millionaire was once just someone who picked a hard skill and mastered it quietly. You're not behind. You're just one mastered skill away from changing everything. Comment skill over struggle if you're done avoiding the hard work. Keep your mind strong, your goals sharp, and your grind consistent. Stay motivated, keep growing, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the Growth Reality Check family.